Boost your confidence, how to look confident when you feel out of place. Hey, everyone! Today we've got a special video for all you teenagers out there who sometimes feel a bit out of place, especially when it comes to speaking in front of a crowd. Don't worry, we've got your back. How many of you guys experience fear when you speak? How many of you know that public speaking is fundamental to your industry, your career? How many of you, honestly speaking, experience a little bit of fear when we talk about public speaking? What I can tell you today is that there are certain patterns and certain skill sets that, if applied, can make a public speech amazing. If you follow these principles that I'm going to talk about today, I believe you can literally transform where you are and take the journey to where you want to be. In this video, we'll be sharing some awesome tactics to help you look confident even when you're feeling a bit shaky. Let's dive in. First things first, preparation. Whether you're giving a presentation at school or just talking in a group, knowing your stuff can make a huge difference. Take the time to research and practice what you're going to say. The more confident you are in your material, the more confident you'll appear to your audience. You have to speak from the gut before you go and ask, because when you're talking to an audience can feel realness, and you have to be yourself. If you can't be yourself, you will never engage in the way in which you want to. That I have to listen to me first in order to really deliver a message that informs and inspires. Now, let's talk about body language. Strike a power pose. Stand up tall, shoulders back, and head held high. Power poses not only make you look more confident, but they can also boost your self-esteem. So, next time you're waiting to speak, find a quiet corner and strike your favorite power pose. Eye contact is another game changer. When you make eye contact with your audience, it shows that you're engaged and confident. Don't be afraid to look people in the eye. It creates a connection and makes you appear more self-assured. You have to be bold in order to give a speech that's going to last. How many of you guys experience fear when you speak? Fear of an opinion of other, fear of being criticized, fear of not being good enough, fear of tripping up on a word, fear of what you look like. We know that fear drives most of us, and I'm here to tell you that eye contact is what you need, boldness is what you need. If you want to deliver something and absolutely be transformative, you have to be bold. You can't half-step into your presentation, you have to be bold. Also, a genuine smile can work wonders. When you smile, it not only makes you feel better, but it also puts your audience at ease. Combine that with controlled breathing, take slow, deep breaths to calm your nerves. It's amazing how a smile and a few deep breaths can make you look and feel more confident. Now, let's dive into the magic of storytelling. One of the most powerful tools in public speaking is weaving a compelling narrative. When you tell a story, you're not just relaying information, you're taking your audience on a journey. Humans are naturally wired to connect with stories, and this engagement is vital in a public speaking setting. Stories can be crossed over to any industry at any time, whether you're telling your personal story. Whether it's Martin Luther King delivering a speech, whether it's a president of a country. By incorporating a narrative, you create an emotional connection with your audience. Whether it's a personal anecdote, a relevant example, or a captivating scenario, stories have the ability to evoke emotions and make your message memorable. When people are emotionally invested, they are more likely to pay attention, retain information, and feel a connection to you as a speaker. So, the next time you're preparing a speech or presentation, consider how you can infuse it with a story that complements your message. Not only will it make your content more engaging, but it will also leave a lasting impact on your audience. Remember, a well-told story has the power to turn a good presentation into an unforgettable experience. Never tell a story without making a point. Never make a point without telling a story. Like, use the story to drive home what you're trying to do. It crosses every industry. Anything that you want to do, a story will get you there. Here's another secret: everyone makes mistakes. Instead of fearing them, embrace them. If you stumble over your words or forget a point, just keep going. The more you practice resilience, the more confident you'll become in handling unexpected hiccups. It humanizes you. Audiences connect more with speakers who show their authentic, imperfect selves. When you admit to a mistake or stumble, it demonstrates that you're just like them, a real person navigating the challenges of public speaking. This vulnerability creates a connection, and your audience is more likely to relate to you and appreciate your authenticity. By acknowledging mistakes, you show that it's okay not to be perfect and that everyone, even the person on stage, is constantly learning and growing. This connection can foster a supportive atmosphere, making your audience more forgiving and understanding, ultimately boosting your confidence as you navigate the ups and downs of public speaking. Remember, it's not about avoiding mistakes. It's about how you handle them and continue to deliver your message with poise and authenticity. The last tip is, dressing well can give you an instant confidence boost. Find an outfit that makes you feel good about yourself. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence will shine through in your presentation or conversation. So, there you have it, some practical tips to help you look confident when you feel out of place. Remember, confidence is a skill that you can develop over time, so keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep rocking it. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay confident and be your amazing self. Bye, guys.